This is how I use the Zapier MCP to call a specific template I have in my Google Docs, complete the template in Claude, and then save the completed document to my Google Drive. Claude accesses the specific template from my Google Drive and looks for the placeholders that I've set up on the document. Once I'm done with the back and forth, Claude gives me a recap of everything it's going to put in my document and then prompts me asking me, should I go ahead and create the doc? Claude then calls a Zapier MCP to create a Google Doc from the template. Claude told me that the document has been completed. It's saved to the correct folder in my Google Drive. That's based on some separate instructions that I have set up. Claude also happens to know that I have a Trello automation set up to run in the background once a document hits that particular folder. That's a separate process. I can click on this document. And you can see the fully completed Google Doc based on my template.